Finally, my brothers, we are free. Let us take our revenge on our oppressors. Nothing will stop us.
Stop right there, criminal scum. Did you forget I worked for the military?
Shadow the Hedgehog from Sonic the Hedgehog.
That's right. I'm stationed to the 31st Infantry Division of Real Life, and I'm here to stop your insurrection. I will fucking eradicate your kind. Impossible. How are you so strong?
Shadow, you should know that a man with the power of nature can bring you to the end of your luck.
The Chicken Whisperer. I should have known you were behind this.
That's right. I have freed all of the chickens from restaurants around the world. Now nothing will stop us from a global workers' union.
Wait, what?
Soon we will make chickens a legally protected minority. We will fight the mega businesses and finally end the chicken sandwich wars.
So wait, this isn't a violent insurrection.
Of course not. Who told you that?
An anonymous tip. Let's fuck Chick-fil-A.
Chicken attack! Chicken attack!